Excited na ba kayo sa Cincinnati Open wherein Alex has entered the tournament and is actually scheduled and set up to play against Elena Gabriela Rus sa round of 64. So, what is at stake for Alex Ayala if she wins this tournament? Basically, once again, she will become the first Filipino and the first Southeast Asian to win a WTA 1000 tournament title. That will be a big milestone for Alex, a major milestone, and it will send a message to the tennis world that she no longer is a prospect nor a hype. She is the real deal. And it will also send a message to the elite players of the WTA that Alex is rising. Alex will conquer the WTA and women's tennis. So abangan natin yan. Dahil ang achievement ni Alex is an achievement for us, for the Filipinos, for the Philippines. So, if she wins the Cincinnati Open title, it will mean 1,000 ranking points also. So, from being number 20 in the WTA Tour, she will go up to number 12 just behind Marta Kostyuk of Ukraine. So, that will be a big deal. It means she will get a higher seed in the US Open. Instead of being seeded number 20 or number 19, she will be seeded maybe number 12 or even higher, 11 or 10. It depends if some players will withdraw from the tournament for something or some things that are out of their control. So, aside from that, if Alex Ayala will win the Cincinnati Open title, she will receive 1,085,220. Wow guys, paldo, di ba? Napakalaking pera. It will be her first $1 million check sa WTA. So it's a very big milestone for her. Not only the rankings, also financially, So from number 22 in the prize money list right now, if she wins the Cincinnati Open title, she will go to number 10 in the rankings. She will dislodge Iga Swiatek from that position. And aside from that, guys, there is also the WTA race to the finals wherein Alex is currently ranked number 15 and only the top 8 players will play that year in tournament. So, if she wins the Cincinnati Open title, it will add 1,000 points into that WTA race to the finals. If that happens, Alex will go up to number 10 again, dislodging Iga Swiatek. So, kung top 8 lang ang kukunin, may US Open pa and there are other tournaments after the US Open, Alex may be able to make it to the WTA finals, the year-end tournament, to determine who among the elite will be the best. It is Elena Rybakina who is the defending champion of that tournament. So guys, supportahan natin si Alex sa Cincinnati Open because if she wins this tournament, it will be something for us, a very big accomplishment for her and also for us Filipinos and for our country, because we very well know Alex is not only playing for herself but she is playing for our country. For more sports updates and analysis, don't forget to follow